Come along with us as we go explore one of our favorite trails.
And go for a hike.
So we took the opportunity this afternoon to go get our grandson and go check out one of the trails that we really enjoy here in Jackson County. One that we haven't been on in quite a while, actually. It's the Tcha-To-Go, I think that's the pronunciation, nature trail, and it's here in Fleming Park. For anybody that's familiar with the area, it's right across from the elk and buffalo enclosures. But we really enjoyed this trail, but like I said, it's been a while since we've been on it.
Let's go that way.
We're going that way.
We go that way.
Just you wait. It'll dry out now. It will be like muddy.
Gonna take my horse, gonna put that road.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down there. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one.